Hello, welcome to your speaking test today for Unit 7 and 9 for PIPA and Talk. So, are you ready with your speaking test today?
Yes.
Yeah, so I am teacher Maggie. So, we will now begin your speaking test. But before that, can you introduce yourself? What's your name? Oh, what's your name, Mike?
My name is Dada.
Oh, very good. You're Dodo or Cherry. How old are you? I.
I'm 4 years old.
Wow. And where are you from? I'm
I
from.
from Vietnam.
Okay, good job. How are you today, Jerry? Are you happy or sad today?
Happy.
Oh, are you sad today or happy? Oh, you say
I happy
today.
today.
Okay, good job. So we will now begin your speaking test. All right, so look at the picture. Look at the picture. What is this? It's
It
a
a
trout.
trouser.
Yes, one more time.
It is trouser.
Okay, it's a trousers. How about this? What can you see in the picture?
This is hat.
Yes, good job. What's this?
This is shutter.
Wow. One more time.
This is
Ja.
chocolate.
Very good. How about this?
It is
The
pizza.
wow. Can you say that again? It's a
Pizza.
yeah. One more time. It's
It's a pizza.
very good, Jerry. Look at the picture. Can you tell teacher where's the dress? Where's the dress? Click it. Where's the dress? Click your answer. All right. Good job. Can you say it's a dress?
It's a dress.
Very good, Jerry. How about this? Where's the hat? Where's the hat?
Hat.
Wow, great job. Can you say it's a hat? It's
It's a hat.
very good. What can you see in the picture?
Balloon.
Wow, great job. I will give you two stickers. How about this?
It's a banana.
Wow, so good, Jerry. Very good. Where is ride a bike? Wow, what time? Click it. All right, Jerry, good job. What can you see in the picture?
It's a pink flower.
Wow, you're so good. How about this?
It is pink flower.
Wow, great job, Jerry.
It is bird balloon.
Okay, blue.
Balloon bird.
One more time. It's
It's a balloon bird.
wow, great job, Jerry. Can you tell teacher where's the worm? Where is the worm? Wow, great job, Jerry. You did a great job with your speaking test today. Job well done. That's the end of your speaking test. Before we end your speaking test, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay, good job, Jerry.